Hello everyone. We are on the Sun Princess for a family cruise. So we're going to give you a brief room tour. We are on 15412, so deck 15, room 412. We are in a standard balcony room this time. So we're going to take you on our little journey here.
Hey, welcome. If you're new around here, we're Will and Kara, and we want to show you why we're constantly cruising.
So I'm gonna let Will come this way and show you some of our shelving and drawers.
Okay, that's fine.
This opens this way. So if you open this up, you're gonna have some of your drawers. Your safe is located in here, okay? And then you've got 3 drawers. Lots of space, okay? When Will first came in, there's a really tiny closet that's got your life jackets, and you of course could put whatever else you need to. There's nothing to hang anything, but okay. And then the closet, just like on the Sun and the Star, it's not like a walk-in closet, so you have an actual closet. Sorry guys, filming this is a little strange, but anyway, there is a light up bar, plenty of hangers and everything. You just need to make sure when you close these doors, you close them all the way, because that's what is the sensor for the light for the closet. But of course you've got some shelves in here too, plenty of hanging space for long dresses, pants, etc. So it's a good sized closet. Okay, then we'll go into our restroom. Again, you're gonna have the glass shower door, which is very nice. They do supply you with the shampoo conditioner combo, body wash, or excuse me, I'm wrong. They do give you shampoo and conditioner and body wash here. And then of course, hand wash, body lotion, and a few more shelvings in here as well. The light that's under the sink is also motion activated, so that's great in the evening. It kind of serves as a little night light as you come into the bathroom. You're going to have your full-length mirror right here, as well as your thermostat. So that's going to be right here. And then coming into the room, as you guys know, hopefully if you follow us already, and if you don't follow us, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you like our video. We would really appreciate it. We're married, so this is going to be a double bed configuration for us, but you can also request this to be a twin configuration if you're sharing a room that you don't feel comfortable sleeping with that person. On each side of the bed, you're going to have a nightstand.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. On each side of the bed, you're going to have a nightstand. Both sides of the bed have access to your lights for the room. It is going to have an American plug, a USB plug, and then a USB-C plug. So that's very nice. So you can charge all your devices on either side of the bed, which is great. And you also have a drawer. And then also on either side of the bed, you have this great reading light. You just pop that out. Okay. Of course, across from the bed, you're going to have your TV. So that's going to be a great place you can watch your muster station video in your cabin once you get on the ship, if you don't want to watch that on your device. So that's great. And then we have the configuration where the bed is by the entrance. So therefore our couch and vanity area are closest to the balcony. So you have a full-size couch, which is very, very nice. Since the vanity is right here, this type of stateroom cannot be configured to more than 2 people, because I don't believe that this is enough space for this to come out into a bed. If we find out that I'm wrong about that, I will let you know. We'll put that in the caption. But right here, you're going to have this great vanity / workspace. As you can see, it's pretty big. And you do have 2 drawers that are located in here too for storage. Okay. Of course, your vanity stool. Telephone's going to be here, and then also here you're going to have more plugs. So you're going to have 2 American outlets, 2 USBs, and 2 USB-Cs also here. There's also a European plug here as well. So if you aren't an American and are traveling from out of this state or country, you'll have that. There's also one more that's located above our bar area, which is really great, and also an American plug as well. Of course, you have a couple of shelvings here. The first drawer above your fridge is going to hold the blow dryer. Okay. And then, of course, your mini fridge is up here. Hopefully, if you've watched our videos before, this is a pro tip hack. We always take a washcloth or a hand towel, and I like to prop the door open like that. For some reason, these refrigerators just don't stay very cold unless you kind of keep this, or at least what we found, unless I keep this door kind of propped open a little bit. So, pro tip there. But of course, that is going to be where your mini fridge is. So, okay. You do have this great side table that comes with the couch, and then let us show, it is kind of raining outside, guys, so we're not going to be able to go all the way out into our balcony. But where we're located, we are actually a part, if you're looking at the ship map, the glass sphere that you actually see on the side of the ship, that's where our stateroom is located. So therefore it gives you a very large balcony, as you can see. They probably actually would have room to put sun loungers out here. I guess for whatever reason we don't. We just have regular chairs, which is fine. So we have the 2 chairs and the side table out here as well. But it's a very large balcony. This is very nice. Unfortunately, like I said, it's kind of cloudy and raining right now before sail away. We're hoping this kind of clears up before we sail off. But so, as I said, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please make sure that you do that. Please make sure that you hit the notification bell as well so that you know every time we have a new video that pops up, and make sure that you like our post. Thanks so much. Stay constantly cruising.
Hey, thanks so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. We really appreciate it. If you want more information on a cruise lifestyle and all the things, if you want more behind the scenes type footage, all the stuff like that, you can find it at the link in bio. It's going to have the links to all our other stuff, where we are on Facebook, Instagram, and there's even more stuff coming here in the coming weeks. So look us up there. Follow us on all the different platforms, and if you haven't, hit subscribe down below. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.